splashdown zone of Jurassic Park the ride. Again, folks, this is your opportunity to get your photo taken with Zulu, our featured Velociraptor. To do so, please join the queue in front of the splashdown zone of Jurassic Park the ride. If you are interested in viewing, I'd like to welcome you all to Jurassic Park here at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Warning, paddock activated. Extreme caution.
First that means that Zulu is on her way out. Please remember, you guys on pet text. Let's keep this area clear.
Encounter. Please secure all food items, pets, and small children. Thank you.
Outer paddock door activated. Please stand clear and follow all inter-handlers' instructions.
Ladies and gentlemen, InGen is proud to present our featured attraction, the Velociraptor.
Zulu, hold. That's X. I'm going to hand you guys these leashes. Flank her, please. Zulu, move. Move. Eyes on me. Zulu, hold. That's X. Let's prepare the photo area, please. Folks, feel free to take as many pictures of Zulu as you would like. That's why she's out here today. Take Zulu. Eyes on me. Back. Back. All right, that text back onto these leashes, please. We'll disengage on my mark. Folks, we're going to be removing Zulu's leashes before we begin taking photos. That's part of her training today. We are going to ask everyone just... What is he doing? What was that? We're just going to ask everyone to stay where they are while we do this, please. Zulu, hold. All right, guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1, release. Hold. Okay, don't move. She's investigating things. Stay right where you are. Zulu. Folks, don't move. Zulu, eyes on me. Back. Hold. Zulu. Speak. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Zulu. Zulu, hold for pictures. Okay, let's bring our first. My name is Eddie. This is Zulu, our featured Velociraptor. We'd love to get a photo with you guys.